New year, I have to sleep well. Sister, please keep the baby for me. My sister makes me babysit her kids. It's too much. What should I do?
Help me! Thank you.
Okay, let's help her make the baby stop crying.
I love riding the wooden horse. Puppy, let me do your makeup.
Watch YouTube and remember to keep quiet.
I love drawing. Let's play doctor together.
Part of the puzzle yourself. Let you watch cartoon. Let me read you a story.
Wow, this little bird is so cute. Come on, cat, don't be scared. Let me play with you.